This is a demonstration of the IScrap application. Right now we're at the sign up / login screen, and as you can see we have little buttons at the top that will take you home, which is back to this screen, tell you how about us, help, and contact information. So right now I'm going to sign up a new user so we can see how this application looks. So first name will be Kimmy Roper, and the email address will be kim@test.com, and the password and another, just to confirm, agree, sign up. See, registration is successful, then you're back to the login screen. Now once you signed up, all you have to do is click sign in, and just sign in, kim@test.com, and type in the password and sign in. Get rid of this. Okay, so this is your splash screen, otherwise known as your library. Right here you have the option of creating a book, and this is the first shelf. As you can see, you have not created any books as yet, and no one has shared any books with you. So we're going to create a book right now. So I'm going to name this book Kim's Scrap Book, and click OK. Then the book appears on the bookshelf. So let's get to editing this book. So all you have to do is click on the book, and your scrapbook comes up. The first thing you should notice, you have all these buttons, these icons that do different things. You have add text, delete, add image, add video. Over here you have add audio, add pages, and share books. This is the flip effect that you're seeing right now. I'm actually dragging the page to open it. Each user gets started off with 2 pages. These are actually 2 pages. You can flip 2 different ways. You can either drag or just click on it, and it flips. Sorry for the lag. It really doesn't move like this. It's just that the PC is kind of slow right now. So yeah. Now we're going to start editing the scrapbook. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add some pages. Click the add pages button and select the number of pages to add. I'm about to add 2 pages. The add page function is not dynamic, so I have to refresh. So I click back to library, which essentially refreshes the page, and I click back on Kim's scrapbook, open the book. You can see that 2 more pages have been added, right? So those are 4 pages. My scrapbook now has 4 pages. Okay, so let me go back to the first 2 pages. Yeah, so I'm gonna add an image to the left page right here. So I'm just gonna click add image, and then this opens. The browser opens, and as you can see, only image files can be seen. So I'm just gonna pick randomly one of these pictures. I'm gonna click this one, and then a dialog pops up and asks me what page. So I select the left page, and then it comes up on the left page. Again, it really doesn't move this slow, but because I'm doing a screencast, it's kind of moving really slow. But yeah, as you can see, I'm resizing right now. Make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can move it around the page and all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this. Oh, as you can see, it's bounded to each page. So right here is where page 1 stops. It can't go outside of the page. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this right here at the edge. I'm gonna add some text to this page. I'm gonna say, "Can you see me?" I'm gonna add it to the same page, the left page. Yeah, and this can also move around, right? So I'm just gonna make this a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, right? And then move that probably a little bit over. Okay. Then I'm gonna add some audio. Just click the add audio button, and browser comes up. As you can see, only audio files can now be seen. So I'm gonna add this song, and I'm also gonna add it to the left page. So as you can see, it came up, and just to show you that it works, I'm gonna click play. Everybody knows Oppa Gangnam Style. I'm gonna move this down here. Just position it right there. You can see that it works. Okay. Also, every change that is made is dynamically saved to the database. So to show you that this actually saves, I'm gonna refresh the page, and wherever you see right here, that's how it's gonna look when I come back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to my library, and I'm gonna click back on my book, and I'm just gonna open it right here, and then you see that more or less it's at the same positions. I'm gonna show you how to add video now. You can see that the only videos are shown. I'm gonna click the test vid, then I'm gonna add that to my right page. You can see that came up. I can play that video just to show you that it works. If this computer will speed up. Okay. Come on. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but as you can see, it does work. It can also be moved. Okay, let's try playing it again. Okay, here we go. Okay. Whatever, it works. We can also move this around. I'm also gonna add some text to this page just to get it, this is my test video. Oops. Okay. So I'm just gonna place this right here, and I'm just gonna add some more stuff to the other pages so I can show you the share function. I'm just gonna go on over to page 3 and 4 and just add some random data. I'm gonna share my book. So to share a book, you just click share books, and this cute little dialog box comes up. So to share a book, you have to enter your friend's email address, person that you want to share it with. So I've already entered some test data into the database, so I'm just gonna share it with Danny at test. com, and I'm gonna share pages 1, 3, and 4, just to show you that you don't have to share all the pages. So I'm gonna share that with Danny. Share successful. Okay. Also, I'm gonna share with, oops, I need to fix that. Also, I'm gonna share with Johnny at I think it's at yahoo.com, and I'm gonna leave that blank. I'm gonna share the entire book. I'm gonna share. That's successful. So I'm gonna log out and then log in as Danny to see the shared book, then log in as Johnny to see how it looks with him. So I'm gonna log in as Danny now. Test.com. Password, sign in. So we're seeing Danny's library right now. As you can see, Kim's scrapbook is shared with Danny. So click on that. Remember, we've shared pages 1, 3, and 4 with Danny. So we're gonna see how that works. Okay. It opens the book. Stuff kind of moved around a little bit, but essentially share works. As you can see, the page number 2 is empty. If I flip, page number 3 and 4 have all the media that were there. Page 5, oh, that's the cover page. So let's go back over here. Everything is present and they okay, and stuff works. This takes a little bit to start. See? Yeah, so we just shared a partial book. So now we're going to run on over to Johnny. Oh, oops, gotta log out. Run on over to Johnny now to see the entire book. Johnny at yahoo.com. Yeah, his password. Hit sign in, and so Kim's scrapbook was just shared with him. Let's click on that, and the entire book was shared with him. So we're gonna see if the entire book is shared. Okay, so the text, the audio, the video is here. Just load it up. I don't know why it's giving this problem, but yeah. Oh, and as you can see, you can't edit anything. Forgot to mention that. Once the scrapbook is shared, you can't edit anything. Yeah, so the page. It would be nice if it flipped, and yeah, everything is a-okay. And that's basically the screencast of the IScrap application and what it can do right now.